Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Kemer. Let's have a little look around. So yeah, got this lovely big restaurant here, Mocha. Look at that wraparound and that. Yeah, we're gonna go and have a little look at the Irish bar around the corner. Sabrina looking all pretty tonight.
Hi guys, yeah, so it's a really nice little area. It took us about half an hour by bus from where we're staying. And how much did it cost?
I'll give them 200 to give me 60 back, so 140.
140 lira.
So what's that, like £1, £2, 40, £2.50? I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, so not expensive
No.
for two of us.
Yeah, sure that. But yeah, look, the Irish bar got the music loud over there. Check this out, very nice. Very nice. Gonna have a little look and we get around. But yeah, it's very nice. Bit live music outside Mocha Lounge. Let's keep going. So this area has all the bars.
Lots of shopping as well.
Yeah. But we're here for the bars. Let's go and see the Irish bar first. People are stopping for us, so let's go.
Nice little look outside there.
Yeah, I've got the look on it. Sprint's gonna want to do a selfie down there.
Yeah.
What we're going to do, we're going to check this little bar out. I don't think we're going to get anything in it. Let's have a look for the prices quickly. We've got the prices outside. It's an Irish pub. It is, as you can see there, live music as well. Got guitarist.
So cocktails are about 470, 490 lira.
It's like £8 something. But yeah, very nice. Let's keep going around there, let's have a little look. So it's very pretty around here. They've got the Christmas lights up. Oh, maybe there's a shooting star for some reason. Yeah. And the bunting, very low bunting.
It's all done.
So there's that restaurant up there. Very cool.
Doing it.
Oh. You've got the old love heart. Sabrina wants to go and stand underneath it. Oh, lovely people. It's in the way though. There you go, Sabrina. Right, let's have a little look. What else we got? What's this? Moustache restaurant. This guy stinks of BO. I mean, you think your missus would tell you stink. Put your deodorant on. Yeah, lovely little water fountain. No lights on this one. You've got dominoes at the top there. You've got a football one at the top on this bar. Probably one for the football when we come back. And they had a Fenerbahce game on. Got the old lion there. So you got all your shopping. Yeah. Where was we? We was I can't remember where we was. It might have been Nishman or Marmaris, but the guy was trying to sell us perfume. Well, it must have been the knockoff stuff. He was selling it at full price.
Yeah, the one down ours is 10, isn't it? So
Yeah, that's for the knockoff stuff. It's all 10. It's not bad at all. Just walk into.
Huh?
Just walk into.
Almost, yeah. You for today,
Not looking very pretty. Lotus restaurant and karaoke as well. Yeah,
Really nice at the top.
yeah. Let's keep going. Shirts all £10. Hello. I didn't like the feel of the trainers when I was here last time. Not here. Marvelous. I didn't like the feel of them. Just they didn't have the softness you'd get with the real Nikes. £1 little bags there. It's quite good. Yeah. Got your Adidas shopper. Ah, see, it's an everything sign. That's lame. Lame means bored. I'm feeling lame, feeling bored. Board shop. Strange name. I guess sometimes people just come to England and they see the names, they pick up a bit of lingo. They don't really know what it means.
It's a cute little car.
Yeah, if you're like a midget.
Mr. B.
Yeah. So yeah. Little deja vu outlet. So buy 5 get 1 free. It's not too bad. What are they? €5, €6. Yeah, that's the top there. And they are on $14.90. What was I getting them for?
We got 3 for 25.
I think it's well, you can get 3 for 25 or these ones are all 5. It's not the one I got. Very similar, but yeah. We've got Turkish food there. Got the football on. It's Arsenal. What are they losing? Well, they're winning 3-1. Can't really see that score. What does it say on the score, Sabrina? Oh, it's Aston Villa. It's Fulham. I don't really care. Look how rude she is. Just asked you a question. You get all shitty about it. She doesn't even watch Tottenham, so she doesn't watch Tottenham anytime, so she's one of them football supporters that doesn't watch football.
Nice one there, though, isn't it?
So it's 3-1 Aston Villa. Yeah, it's very nice. Goldmeister. Meister. £5 tops there. Very nice. Everyone chilling there.
Hello.
Hello.
Merhaba. Good evening.
Good
How are
evening.
you?
Good, thank you.
Yeah,
So, yeah. so. So we're walking down here. There's another Irish bar. If I've used my radar correctly, should be one down here somewhere. Cats. Yeah. Blinged out. Bling bling. Sunglasses shop there. Very nice. Hello. So kebabi and kebab. We'll call kebab actually. It's like a pizza place. Oh yeah, they got the long pizza over there as well. Did want to get one of them again. Quite enjoyed that the other day. I got one from the Blue Port.
Oh yeah, that's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I gave Sabrina one piece. I think they're made for one person. How much did I pay?
I remember.
About just under, I think it's like £4.50 I paid in the Blue Port.
Yeah, it's the shopping centre. The videos on the channel, so if you want to check that out, that's marvellous.
Let's
Then have a look. Really lovely views up in the
look at this. I
Blue
think we're
Port.
gonna go on this side. Let's cross over.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. If you are enjoying the content, it really does help support the channel.
Really does.
Really does.
Very dark here.
Yeah. Like lighted up.
So looks like we've got quite a few bars here on the right. Let's see what these ones have got to say. I don't have a lot of bars here. There's a lot of restaurants that stay open till really late.
Yeah, lots of hotels as well, so it's lots of
Nice
complexes.
little cake place here. So yeah, look, there's a new bar here as well. What we've got here for a drink. 50 for a tea, cola 150. Got English menu as well. Look at that. Hamburger 450. FS 210.
Hello.
Hello.
Hiya.
How are you? You good?
Good.
Good man.
On video?
Yeah, you're on video, yeah. I'll get it for you. Thank you, yeah. So yeah. 210 for FS in there. This one. You got in this one for, that's the breakfast menu, drink. You can see English menu straight there ready for you. Turkish breakfast 470. Hello. How are you? You good? Yeah, good man. Hello.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. It's like I said, a lot of them are restaurants that open up as bars.
This is the Irish one.
Oh, this is the Irish one, yeah. Hello. Got the Jada price in there. So, hello.
Hello.
Where you from?
England, you?
English. You look like a Turkish.
Yeah,
Spanish,
everyone
Latin,
said I could be anything.
South America.
Anything.
Welcome.
Yeah,
welcome.
Jamaica English mix makes everything.
Are you interested to drink?
I'm just checking the price for YouTube so people can see.
Bro, we have FS
For 120.
120 lira.
It's cheaper than over there.
Cheaper than even in Antalya.
Yeah. This one there was 210.
Antalya 240. Here some places 300, 400, 500.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cheap.
And how much is a cocktail? Do you do cocktails?
And cocktail, we are using all what we have a good quality.
Right.
Not the fake.
Yeah. That's good prices. Okay, well, we'll come back, yeah? We're going to come back
Very
with...
welcome.
Thank you very much, yeah? So that was the Irish bar. This one, Leon. We're doing the old dancing.
Sort of restaurant, isn't it?
Got the boys doing the dancing for you. So what's this one? Breakfast, 800. Look at that, 890 for
Wow, that's a lot.
English breakfast. They're all dancing away in there. Very cool. Maybe I'll get some copyright strikes for the music. You never know. They do love to give you a copyright strike, even though you're out here to get copyright strikes. Let's keep going. Lovely little fountain. Let's keep going. I've noticed actually they have the Carrefour, the French. We see that in France a lot, which is We quite like that one. That one does quite good stuff, doesn't it? In France, anyway, when we go to it.
France, it has all the great cheese and everything.
We see it in Spain. We see it quite a few other
Nice
places.
breads and everything.
But yeah, let's cross this road. At our own risk. Hello. Video fire. So yeah, looks like we're coming down to a little part where you go to the hotels and stuff. So let's enjoy it, guys. So cheers for tuning in. And yeah, till next
Don't
one.
forget to like
Well,
and subscribe.
don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Okay, guys. Bye.